welcome to Wednesday CNG 132 Online. Going over the MindTap Labs. Make sure you are doing these in a browser window on your regular machine. Do not try to attempt to do these within the virtual machine because the window will definitely be too small. And there are several different views you can take with the machines themselves. So here I have I'm in the lab. I have all my machines in a row. By going to Options, I can actually adjust this so that the devices pop up in a full screen. If I turn that on, each machine will become a tab itself. Some of you, this might be easier to keep track of. For myself, if I just have them all in a row, it's easier for me to keep track of. The sizing differences may come into play. Make sure that you are clicking this button here, the console button. That actually adjusts the screen size. And you get a screen smaller that still has the same functionality. Control delete. The screen is smaller that they fit everything into. So play around with those options. Remember just to look at what kind of option you have available. Either the arrows pointing inward or the arrow and the line showing that it's console. Or do the device pop-up full screen over here. Different way to look at things. It just makes a tab for each one of your devices, which I think is really nice. Helps keep track of which devices you want to click on. I believe the tabs are labeled the device itself, so it'd be PLAB, domain controller 01, and it'll help you keep track of that. Good job. I will reply to that 2-1 issue.